Boys, this is the brand new HPC Revolution MX. This bike is a street legal SURRON killer. It's got the CYC motor you may have seen on the Benell, but this bike is way better than the Benell. It's got better suspension, more range, a lighter weight frame, and is more powerful. This bike can hit speeds of over 50 miles per hour, all while being street legal if you are in street mode. It's got 3 race modes, one for about 30 miles per hour, one for about 40 miles per hour, and one for 50 plus. It's got the full twist throttle or a thumb throttle. It's got a 5-speed transmission that you can shift through. It's got a LCD display, a wireless dropper post, way more travel than the Benell. You can get with moto tires and moto suspension, or mountain bike suspension and mountain bike tires like you see here.
Hey boys, welcome back to another video. Today we are reviewing the HPC Revolution MX. This is a e-moto style bike, but is completely street legal. Some things you should know about this bike is that it's handmade in the USA, and it's designed for serious riders who want a more moto style bike, but still want to be street legal technically. It's great for handling, performance, the build quality is awesome, it feels great, and last time I rode it, I took it on trails where it felt really good. So today we're going to be riding some bike paths and streets and seeing how it does there. Now, one thing that's really cool about this bike is while I'm riding it here, it feels super light. It only weighs 70 pounds in the base configuration and features a 74 volt battery delivering 6,000 watts continuous and 8,000 watts peak with around 285 foot-pounds of torque. The battery is capable of up to 100 miles of range in optimal conditions, and this bike has awesome suspension. You see me going over these little bumps, cracks in the streets, whatnot. It's got 240 millimeters of rear travel and 200 millimeters of front travel. What's also really cool about this bike and makes it different from similar bikes like the Benell is the 5-speed transmission, allowing you to shift into a low gear for climbing or a high gear for top speed. This is really cool because the Benell is just a single speed bike, so you are going to get more torque than the Benell and a higher top speed, which is rated at over 50 miles per hour. This bike's acceleration is crazy, and as you can see, the throttle response is awesome. It has a low profile full twist throttle, or you can get it with a thumb throttle, and this low profile throttle feels amazing. It also handles great, and for this class, this super lightweight makes it very agile, and it feels right in between like a e-moto and an e-mountain bike, which I think is really cool. It also is going to give you a lot more versatility than other bikes with the super high range and the 5-speed transmission, and the fact that it's made in the USA by a well-known brand that's known for their premium craftsmanship and high build quality means that everything on this bike, from the paint color to the bars, stem, even the bolts, everything on this bike is going to be high quality, and you know you're going to have a really well-made bike. Once again, it is technically street legal if you're going in the street mode, which is only 20 miles per hour, throttle only 28 with pedal assist. But in this footage, I am on a private test track, of course, so I am able to go into the race modes, and you can see it's super well balanced. Like, I'm just no hands, just cruising around. It feels great. But yeah, once again, when you're in those race modes, you can go up to 50 miles per hour or more. You just need to be aware of your local laws, regulations, because you can technically get this bike impounded if you are exceeding those power limits. This bike's really great if you want a more moto style bike, but you live somewhere where cops can be stricter. It has really high performance. It's going to do well on trails as well as street. And it kind of blurs that line between EMTB and E-moto, which I think is really cool. If you're a trail rider, commuter focused, or just want a light bike that's easier to maintain, a simpler EMTB might make more sense. But if you want to do some rough trails, long commutes, and you just really want to rip around, this bike is perfect. Overall, I think this bike punches way above its weight class. For this kind of price, you're never going to find even a mountain bike with these good specs. This thing's just awesome. The speed, the power, the amount of travel you get on the suspension, all while being able to ride it on streets. So if you're really serious about downhill riding or just want to have the best bike in your friend group, this bike is 100% the bike for you, and I will 100% recommend it. Some things to note are the high quality with the frame and the build. The frame is made out of CNC'd aluminum that's handmade in Oregon and is hand assembled in California, so you know you're gonna get high quality. Got great suspension, the transmission, awesome cockpit, as you can see with the dropper post, the LCD display, the different modes, the shifter. It's got great brakes with the Magura Gustavs, and it's just overall a great feeling bike. So yeah, that's all for this review. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in more reviews like this, check out my channel and make sure to subscribe. If you are interested in the HPC Revolution MX, I'll have a link in the description where you can spec it out and talk to someone at HPC about potentially purchasing them. Make sure to tell them that Ace Bikes sent you. And I can't wait to see you guys out on the trails.